Good morning, students. Today we will study the 8th chapter in your geography textbooks. The name of the chapter is Introduction to Economics. You might be wondering what economics is all about. Well, before we begin with the chapter, let's get acquainted with some familiar terms that we need to understand. The first term is income. Now, what is income? Money comes from various sources. A person working in a factory will earn his income in the form of wages, or a person working in his office will earn his income in the form of salary. A businessman gets his income in form of profit. The amount of money that you earn is called income. Now the next term is expenditure. What is expenditure? The amount of money that you spend to buy things is called as expenditure. Budget. Budget is an estimate of income and expenditure a set period of time. Now there are three scenarios as far as budget is concerned. Let's take the first scenario, income and expenditure. For example, if income is more and expenditure is less, then it is said to be good kind of budget. Why good? Because you happen to save money here as your expenditure is less than your income. In the second scenario, where the money or income is less but your expenditure is more, now this is said to be a bad budget or a deficit budget because you have spent more than what money you have in your hand. The red lines that you see here means that it's a deficit budget. So definitely you have either borrowed money from someone or have taken a loan. In the third scenario, you have where income is equal to your expenditure. That means how much you have spent, that much was your income. So we have a balanced budget here. So children, we have now understood what is income, expenditure and budget. Now open your textbook, page number 64. You will see here the list of items for particular months. Now let's go through these items. The first item in your list is daily food, which is amount to 6,000 rupees. The fifth item of your list is recreation. Amount of recreation is 500 rupees. Here recreation means the money that you spent for entertainment. For example, you have gone to restaurant to have a lunch or dinner, or you have gone to watch a movie in a theater. Those types of expenses are known as recreation expenses. Now 10th item of your list is tourism. Tourism here means going for vacation, which costed you 4,000 rupees. Now they are saying that the monthly income was only 20,000 rupees. Now if you calculate all the expenses In the list, you will find that your total estimate expenses for that month was 22,550 rupees. Now if you deduct this expenditure from your income, you know that your expenditure was more than your income, so you get a deficit amount of rupees 2,550 rupees. Now they say, in order to strike a balance between your income and your expenditure, decide what will be your preference for expenditure. So students, I have prepared one more list here giving importance to the preferences. Now certain items you will find which are at most importance and without which we cannot do. Now observe the second list and compare it with the first list. Here, recreation expenses reduced. In short, I have reduced here luxury items which you can see it in the list. I have also not considered here tourism expenses which is not necessary to me. Now my total expenses is 18,000 rupees. Now what you observe that saving of rupees 2,000 for a particular month. So students, what we have done here, budgeting. Budgeting is very important. We will see it in the next part. Thanking you.